Hello, my name is Praise, and this is Joven. We are from Holy Cross School, and today we will be helping you guys learn about the brain. But before we start, let us warm up our brains with some brain games. We need to warm up our brains! Task number 1. I start with an E, I end with an E. I only have one letter. What am I?
An eye?
No, an envelope.
Oh!
Because an envelope can only hold one letter. Here's another task. What has a face, arms, but has no nose, no ears, no eyes, no body, and no mouth?
A river?
No, a clock. Because the round part is the head or the face, and the arms are what tells the time.
Oh.
Here is another task. It's a riddle. A man was outside taking a walk when it began to rain. He had no umbrella and no hat. His clothes got soaked, yet not a single hair on his head was wet. How could this happen?
He had a head umbrella?
No umbrella, no hat. Do you give up?
Yes.
The man was bald.
What? Oh.
Because not a single hair. Well, he doesn't have hair.
Oh.
Here's another task. How many seconds are in a year?
Well, if there's 60 seconds in a minute and 24 times 60, I don't know.
12. January 2nd, February 2nd, March 2nd, and so on.
Oh.
Well, now that we have warmed up our brain, let us talk about our nervous system. What is our nervous system? They are our nerves, spinal cord, and brain. It is the body part or system that controls other body parts/systems. It controls every single thing we do. Why is it important? We need a functioning nervous system to live. It controls every part of our body, and it allows us to react to dangerous situations, think, and to create things. The neuron. All of these parts of the brain are made up of neurons. A neuron is a brain cell. It is a special type of cell. What are the parts of a neuron? There is the dendrites. It receives information. A cell body, also known as a soma, contains cell organelles. Another part is the axon. This transmits electric signals, like for example, from dendrites to synaptic terminals. Well, let's make a neuron. This is what your neuron will look like when you're done. First, you have to make the soma. What you do is you twist your pipe cleaners in an off-center circle. Doesn't really matter. Next, you take your axon and you stick it through. When they are equal lengths, twist your axon, also known as completing it, like this. Next, you add the dendrites. To add the dendrites, you need to cut up any color or possibly a different color of pipe cleaners. I chose purple. You cut them up into almost medium-shaped sizes. Then you stick them in. This is your neuron without it's missing something. Well, to finish your neuron, you need the myelin sheet, which is what this protects the neuron from dangerous stuff, and it actually speeds up the information your brain collects and gives out. So technically we are adding a protection sheet to our neuron. Next, we are now going to add the synaptic terminal, which goes at the base. The synaptic terminal is what gives information back to the brain. Well, here you have it, your neuron. Thank you.